So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. Now once you're here, you want to click on download, wait for this to load, and then click on primary download, wait for this to load, and now once you have it installed, you want to right click on it, and then click on show in folder, and now I'm trying to go to my desktop. You want to drag this file onto your desktop, and now on the left hand side of File Explorer, we're going to scroll down and click on this PC. And now you want to find a drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it. Now you just want to drag this file into this folder. And then click on continue. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and click on this PC. And now you just want to copy the code, which will be down below in the description. This code right here, I pasted it into a notepad. So what you want to do, let me just do this half and half like this. So here is the code which should be down below in the description. And then here are all my drives. I'm on this PC right now showing all my drives. You want to find the drive that has Windows installed on it. For me, it's my C drive. So next to source, I put C:. Make sure that the drive you have Windows installed on, the letter of that drive with the colon has been put over here. So let's say that you have Windows installed on your D drive, you want to change the C to D. Let's say you have it installed on your S drive, you want to change D to S. But for me, I have Windows installed on my C drive, so I'm going to make sure that next to source, it has C:, just like that. And you want to make sure that the drive letter that you put in is the same drive that you put this file in that we did in step 1. So now once you've done all that, you want to head over to search and type in CMD, then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now we're going to be copy and pasting this command right here. So you're going to highlight over it, Control C. Once you've copied it, you want to right click on the white tab, and then click on edit, and then click on paste, and then click on enter. Wait for this to load. Ignore this error on my screen, however in your case it should now be working. Now once you do that, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.